Hello, data enthusiast. Welcome to today's exploration into the captivating world of data analysis. Join me as we unravel the secrets hidden within the datasets and discover the power of turning raw information into meaningful insights. Let's dive in. At its core, data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to uncover useful information, draw conclusion, and support decision making. It is about making sense of the numbers and patterns that shape our world. Data analysis comes in various formats. At first, you can see the descriptive analysis. So, descriptive analysis summarizes and presents raw data to reveal key traits. This fundamental phase shows the data's main trends, distributions, and properties. Descriptive analysis helps analysts comprehend the dataset's structure and find trends using graphical representations, measurements of central tendency like mean or median, and measures the dispersion like standard deviation. After that, you can see diagnostic analysis that explores the why behind observable patterns or difficulties revealed during descriptive analysis. This phase seeks to explain data trends and abnormalities. Diagnostic analysis uses statistical approaches to identify variable correlations, helping explain observed occurrences. It goes beyond describing facts to analyzing the causes of results, making it essential for informed decision making. After that, you can see predictive analysis, which uses historical data and statistical algorithms to predict future trends or results. Based on past data trends, analysts can forecast future events using predictive models. Based on descriptive and diagnostic analysis, this phase helps predict trends, make proactive decisions, and plan for future. And finally, we can see the prescriptive analysis that helps optimize results by providing recommendations for actions beyond forecasting future outcomes. It suggests the optimal option using complex analytics, optimization algorithms, and decision-making models. Decision makers benefits from this phase because it predicts outcome and suggests method to accomplish them. Prescriptive analysis is the apex of analytical work, turning data driven insights into practical plans and helping firms achieving their goals. And definitely, this prescriptive analysis completely depends on the proper execution of complete data analysis flow. Our journey begins with data collection. Whether it's from surveys, sensors, or databases, gathering relevant and accurate data is the foundation of any data analysis project. In conclusion, data analysis is not just about numbers, it's about empowering decisions. Whether it is in business, healthcare, or research, the insights gained from data analysis pave the way for informed and strategic actions. Hello, data enthusiast. Today we are embarking on a journey through the complete data analysis workflow. From cleaning raw data to hypothesis testing, join me as we unveil the steps to transform information into actionable insights. Let's dive into it. Our journey begins with data cleaning. This essential step involves identifying and handling missing data, addressing outliers, and ensuring that data is free from errors. Clean data sets the stage for reliable analysis. Once our data is clean, we move on to the data manipulation. This phase involves transforming and restructuring the data to make it suitable for analysis. Techniques like merging datasets, creating new variables, and handling categorical data are common in this phase. With our data prepared, we enter into the exciting phase of exploratory data analysis. Here we use visualizations and statistical summaries to uncover patterns, relationships, and trends within data, gaining a deeper understanding of its characteristics. And then comes data transformation, which actually deals with the distribution of the numeric data. Understanding the distribution of our data is crucial. These steps involves exploring the spread and shape of data points, assessing whether they follow a normal distribution or exhibit skewness. Dealing with distribution prepares us for more advanced statistical analysis. Then comes statistical data analysis. Now, armed with insights from EDA and distribution analysis, we delve into statistical data analysis. These steps involves applying statistical methods to draw inferences, make comparisons, and identify relationships within the data. The pinnacle of our workflow is the final sector, which is hypothesis testing. Here we formulate hypotheses about our data, conduct statistical tests, and evaluate whether the evidence supports or contradicts our initial assumptions. Hypothesis testing adds a layer of rigor to our analysis. The complete data analysis workflow takes us from cleaning and manipulation to exploratory data analysis, dealing with distribution, statistical analysis, and finally, the hypothesis testing. Each step builds upon the other, empowering us to extract meaningful insights from raw data. That's all for now. Let's dive into the practical session of the complete data analysis bootcamp. Yes, follow the course instructions and complete all the lessons with practice, and I guarantee you are going to be a perfect data analyst within 30 days. Best of luck and thank you.